Welcome back, sir. Good morning. Friday at your service. How I can help you?
What is the time?
The current time is 11:58 and 23 seconds.
Friday, tell me the date.
The current date is 31/7/2020.
Friday, go offline. In the previous video, we have created the main function, and using those main function, we called the date and time function. In this video, we will add a search functionality, like if we want to search something on Wikipedia, we can tell our assistant to search for it. First of all, we will import the Wikipedia library by typing import Wikipedia. You can install this library on your machine by using the command pip install Wikipedia in the command terminal. After doing that, we will create another else if statement. In that else statement, we will add a string, that is Wikipedia, and if our command or query contains Wikipedia in it, then it will go into the function which we will create now. Firstly, we want our AI assistant to speak that it is searching, so we will write speak in double quotes searching here. And now our assistant will get the string and it will speak searching. And we want a query which we will get through the take command function. Then I will write query equal to query.replace, and we will replace the word Wikipedia in it. So we want to search the specific word in it, like if we want to search Python, so our phrase will be search on Wikipedia Python. So it will search the word Python in Wikipedia and return us the result. So we will replace the string Wikipedia with a blank string. For result, we will create a result variable, and what we will do is wikipedia.summary. What it does is it will return us the summary of the searched word. So for that, we want to search the query that we got after replacing the word Wikipedia, and we will write sentences. We want to get the second sentence from our result, so I will do sentence equal to 2. So it will return the second sentence of the result after searching it. Now we want this to be spoken in the terminal. So we will pass the result variable in the speak function so that our assistant can speak it. So now let's just save this program and try to run it and see if it is working or not.
Welcome back, sir. Good afternoon. Friday at your service. How I can help you?
Search on Wikipedia, Python.
Searching. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant white space.
Go offline.